जय श्री राम। त्यागराज कृति मामव रघुराम मरकत मणिश्याम पामरजन भीम पालित सुत्राम. O Rama, your skin complexion is like that of a brilliant emerald. You are a terror, source of terror for all the Rakshasas and all the wicked, evil people. You protect Indra, you protect everyone. Duritambulu bodu. Dunumu Manasuradu. O Rama, have you lost your sense of compassion? My Arishad Vargas don't seem to go away. My vices don't seem to go away. And you seem to be indifferent. You are not interested in helping me wash off these vices. Kalashambudilona Karuna Karigiboyana. Oh my God. Has your compassion melted away in that Palasamudram? Kshirasagaram? The milk ocean where you reside, has your compassion melted like sugar in that? Vinumari samaramuna na vidhisharamu virigena. Did your Brahmastram break up and crumble in the war? You don't have any Brahmastram anymore to help me get rid of these vices. Gala satyamu suguna kananamuna nilchena. Have you broken your promise in the forest? In the forest, have you forgotten? Have you left your promises there? You are not keeping up your promises. Divya narapagagna devatvamu boyana. Are Rama, by being born as a human, have you given up your divinity also? Have you lost your divinity? Why don't you save me? Rajadipa Tyagaraja Vinuta Bhaga Mama Varaghurama Marakata Manishyama Pamarajana Bhima Palita Sutrama. When will you save me, Rama? These series of rhetorical questions. Duritambulu bodu dhanuma manasuradu. Kalashambudilona karuna karigiboyana. Vinu mari samaramuna na vidhi sharamu virigena. Galasatyamu suguna kananamuna nilchena. Divya narapagna devatvamu boyana. Rajadipa Tyagaraja Vinuta Bhaga Mamava Raghurama Marakata Manishyama Pamarajana Bhima Palita Sutrama. Jai Shri Ram.